Okay, so hello everyone. My name is Vini Sitanggang. You can call me Vini. I'm from Digital Business Batch 2021. Today I'm gonna present about my mid exam data science. So for the mid exam, I choose the data set is about cat versus dog. So at this time, I will present to you about my analysis. So here I collect about six research question, and here the first one in the screen is question number one. We're gonna talking about dog ownership rates. So for the first question is which states have the highest dog ownership rates? So for the question, the answer is uh, the state is the state that have the highest dog ownership rates is Arkansas, with the percentage of dog owners is 47.90. And the second question is which state that have the lowest dog ownership rates? So for the state that have the lowest dog ownership is the red one. The state is District of Columbia, and the percentage of dog owners is 13.10. So that's all from research question number one. We're gonna jump to the research question number two. We're gonna talking about cat population. So for the question is number one, which state have the highest cat population in US with the cat owning household? So from that question, first we're gonna arrange our data from the highest into the small. So this one, the bigger circle is the highest cat population. We're gonna see is California state with the cat owning household is 3,687, with the cat population is 7,118. And the second question is which state have the lowest cat population in US with the cat owning household? So the lowest rates is the smallest circle, which is the state is District of Columbia, with the cat owning a household is 33 and the cat population is 63. So that's all from research question number two. We're gonna jump into the research question number three. Is we're gonna talking about top 10 the highest percentage of household with pets. So at this sheet, we can see that this data is the top 10 of highest percentage. So first, we're gonna arrange our data first with the with the lowest first. So the top 10 from number 10 is the highest percentage in the state is Wyoming. The ninth is Idaho. The eighth is West Virginia. The seventh is Arkansas. Okay, so the question is name 10 countries in the US with the highest number of household with pets. So the 10th, the lowest percentage from top 10 is the Wyoming. Next is Idaho. West Virginia, next is Arkansas, next is Washington, next is Maine, next is Oregon, the next is South Dakota, the second one is New Mexico, and the last is Vermont, which is the highest percentage of household with pets. Okay, so that's all from research question number three. We're gonna jump into research question number four. We're gonna talking about states that have the highest and the lowest between cat and dog population. So the question is the first, which state that have the highest population both of cat and dog. So in with this data and with this sheet we can see the highest population both of cat and dog is in California, which the cat population is 7,118, and the dog population in thousand is 6,687. So the second question is which state that have the lowest population both of cat and dog? We can see from this share is District of Columbia. District of Columbia, which is cat population is 63 and the dog population in thousand is 42. So that's all from research question number 4. We're gonna jump to number 5. Well, we're gonna talking about comparison between the number of household with pet household. So the question is, which country that are the highest number in number of household with the best household in that state? So um, from this sheet, the answer is the highest number is in the California, which is the number of household in thousand is 12,000 uh nine 974, and then the comparison of number of pet household in thousand is 6,865. And the second question is which state that are the lowest number in the number of household with pet household in that state. So first we're gonna arrange our data first, which is from the lowest, we can see that the lowest is District of Columbia, which the comparison of number of household in thousand is two 287, and the number of pet household in thousand is 63. So that's all from question number 5. Research question number 6, which is the last research question, is dog population and mean numbers of dogs per household each state in US. So the first question is which state that have the highest dog population within mean number of dogs per household. So with this data, we can see the larger shape is Texas, with the dog population in thousand is 7,163, and the mean number of dogs per household is 1,800. So that's from question number 1. And the question number 2, which is the last question, is which state that have the lowest dog population within mean number of dog per household? We can see this is the small shape and also the bright color, which is District of Columbia, with the dog population in thousand is 100 and 100. No, sorry. In District of Columbia is dog population in thousand is 42, and mean number of dogs per household is 100 and 101 1,100. Maybe that's all from me that I can present to you about my mid-exam, which is Tableau. So I hope you can understand what I present. Thank you thank you for watching.